Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to take a look at my portfolio together with you guys after the news that the Fed met and they are pausing interest rates. They're going to continue to hold at the interest rates that is at right now. And also, I saw some news that one of my positions actually is going to increase their dividend by 2%, which is awesome. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can join me in this journey. I really appreciate it. All right, so as you guys know, my favorite position, SCHD, which is like everyone's favorite, it seemed like I'm going to show you guys also the results of one of the questions that I put on YouTube. And it seems like SCHD is definitely very, very popular and is a lot of people's favorite. All realty income is 12%, and this one right here, it is still on a dip right now, under $50. I think it costs like around $47 today. And I want to take a look at it, but I really want to buy some more realty income. I can't wait until I get paid. I hope it stays in the mid 40s by Friday when I make my deposit and I start purchasing some stocks. Bank of America, of course, is one of my bigger positions, also at 9%, J&J 7.6%, and the one that announced today actually they announced a dividend increase was Main Street Capital, which is 7.5% of my portfolio, and I have been buying like slowly Main Street Capital. I'm really trying to build this position. I love their special dividends that they have every quarter. It seems like they have been doing it as of lately, so which is awesome. Let's go into my updates tab, and right here it is. Main Street Capital boosts monthly dividend by 2.1% to 24 cents a share per month, pretty much. And then yep, so right here Main Street Capital declares 24 cents share monthly dividend, 2.1% increase from prior dividend of 0.235%, which they were pretty much paying 23.5 cents if it makes sense, right? So the forward yield is going to be 8.65%. Right now I think they are like around 7% in their dividend yield. And this new dividend is going to be payable in January 12th of 2024. So for shareholders, and then February 15 and March 15. So I'm going to be starting the year of 2024 with a nice dividend increase just by doing nothing, just by investing into this company. And let's take a look to see where it's at right now in Seeking Alpha, which I'm not affiliated. Year to date, they're up actually 8.3% right now in price. Let me check. In the last 6 months, they are actually down 4.74%. And in the last month, they're down 3%. Right here, right now, they closed today at $39.30. And it looks like it's up post-market right now. So the price is probably going to go up. I always try to buy it when it's under $40, in the $37, $38, around that price. I really like to add it. But I'm going to continue adding it on a weekly basis. So as you guys can see here, the 52-week range is 52-week low of $34.81. I never caught it at that price. I wish I did. And the highest is $42.86. That dividend rate is $2.82 a year per share. That dividend yield right now is at 7.40. So with that new dividend increase, it's going to go up to 8% if it stays around this price, in the $39 price mark. Market cap for this company is $3.14 billion, which it has a very good market cap. And if we go down right now, all the analysts are saying right now that this company, it is a hold. I really like to continue to buy it, so that's what I have been doing as of lately. The revenue, it continues to grow. In 2020, it went down to $222 million, but then in 2021, it just went way up to $289 million. Then in 2022, another boost, bam, $376 million. And then in 2023, it is the revenue estimate is $496 million. Wow, definitely is looking really, really good. The business continues to grow from what I see right here, very quickly, of course. And that dividend yield, that 5-year growth CAGR for the dividend is 3.51%. So they have a very small growth, but they continue to grow every month. This company, what I like about it is that it pays monthly. It gives that special dividend pretty much almost every quarter, and it's just growing. It's growing slowly, and this is one of the companies that I definitely want to be paying my bills, my monthly bills later on in the future. Maybe this company, I can grow it to where it can pay my cell phone in the future or something like that. You never know, right? So right here, that dividend growth history, as you guys can see, has been stagnant every year pretty much, but they have stayed consistent pretty much, except in 2020, where their annual dividend was $1.64 a share per year. So, but then in 2021 they went up to $2.58, and then 2022 $2.95. So let's see how they continue to grow their dividend. But this is definitely one of my favorite companies in my dividend portfolio that I really, really like. And if we go into my dividend portfolios tab, I own 15 and a half shares. My cost per share right now is at $38.10, which is great right now. And I am actually up. I'm up 3% right now, $18. All right, so let's go back into my portfolio. So my portfolio, it is down $777. I was actually down yesterday over $800. So it seems that after the Fed announced a rate pause, the market started going up a little bit. They didn't go up that much, but it looks like most of my stocks went up a little bit. SCHD, of course, it is still my highest position right here. And I own 28.9 shares. Realty Income is really one that I really want to buy some more shares. I want to buy whole shares actually. Yeah, but I gotta take a look at my budget right now. I don't have the money. I do have those $143 from the position that I sold about 2 weeks ago. So I'm getting very tempted to spend some money into Realty Income and some of these other ETFs that are looking really, really good, especially SCHD. Right now it is at $68.15, but about 2 days ago it was around $66, which I'm kind of like hitting myself for not picking up some at that price. And actually, talking about SCHD, I wanted to go into my updates tab again, and then I just wanted to scroll down, and this was the results of a question that I posted in YouTube, which is which ETF from my last 2 videos you hold in your dividend portfolio. And it was a decision between SCHD and VYM. And SCHD, actually 65% of the people that pretty much voted on this, they actually hold only SCHD, which is a very, very popular ETF. It looks like it's the most popular one. Only 2% of the people that voted hold only VYM, and then 18% actually holds both of them, which is great. I am one of those 18%. Well, actually, I didn't vote. I couldn't vote, right? So if I would have voted, we probably could have went up to like 20% maybe. But yes, I do hold both of them. I do like both of them long term. I do want both of them to be the core holdings of my portfolio and to give me income in a quarterly basis in the future. 16% don't own neither one of them, which I would like to know. If you guys don't mind, please let me know in the comment section. Why don't you like neither one of them? Or is it maybe that you just like to invest in only stocks? You like to do your research and invest in stocks, which I really would like you to know your opinion on them. But definitely 65%. Also in the videos, a lot of people really like the SCHD video, and in 2 days I got over 1,500 views. And on the Vanguard's video that I made, I only have like 330 views so far, which is like a quarter of what I got from SCHD. So definitely it is a very popular ETF, and right now I definitely want to pick up some more shares of this SCHD, especially at the price that it's at right now, $68. I love it every time it goes under $70. Of course, none of this is financial advice, guys, just for entertainment purposes only. Johnson & Johnson is at $148. This is definitely another company that it looks really good to add some more shares also. And I do believe Apple is announcing earnings tomorrow, so I'm really looking at this one. I'm gonna see how the market reacts to their earnings tomorrow. If it dips under $160, I really want to start adding some more shares. My cost per share right now is $132.30. I'm the same way. I think it was Randy that put in the comments that he wished he would have picked up some more shares when it was around this price. I am the same way. I really wish I would have picked up a lot more, and I didn't invest in other things that I did actually at the moment when it was around that price. But this is definitely a stock that I want to continue to grow. I think Apple is going to be a big one in the future. Another one that I'm looking at in my growth portfolio is Tesla, which is right now, I think it's like a $200, I think it is. I'm not sure if any of you guys invest in Tesla, or if you have any growth stocks in your portfolio. I do have them separate, just to try to keep track of them easier. And it was around $197 about 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and right now it is at $205. I want to pick up some more shares of Tesla, or I want to invest some more into Tesla, because I'm planning on holding long term, especially Tesla. Just because they have so many companies are going to be using their Tesla charging stations. So I do think that Tesla, not now, I do believe, and this is my opinion, not financial advice, it's going to be a much bigger company than it is, especially with everything that they're working on right now, their cyber trucks. Look at it in the news right here. Actually, I'm looking at it right now. Subaru to use Tesla charging stations in North American EVs, which is another company that is going to be adding to the Tesla charging stations. Toyota was another one. Ford. I think BMW, Honda also is going to be using their charging stations. So a lot of these companies, a lot of the major car companies are going to be using their charging stations. So that's going to be really good. Year to date, this company is up 90%. So wow. I wish I would have bought it right here when it was over 100. All right, so let's go back into my dividend portfolio, just because I focus more on dividends than anything else. And another company that I'm really looking at, that I encourage you guys to do your research, is Vici Properties right now. If you're looking for real estate, definitely look into this one. Do your research. I have almost 7 shares. Right now the price is $27.87. My cost per share is $30.25. So I am down 8%. This is definitely one that is looking really good, and they just got a dividend increase for this next quarter, for the next payment, which is good. And yeah, which other one? I did wanted to take a look at VYM. This is another one. This is an ETF that I'm really, I want to build this position. I have almost 4 shares, and I want to buy some more this week. I'm going to see how much I can buy this week. I've been a little bit more heavy on SCHD, and then my second that I've been the heaviest on is VYM, to trying to invest some more. So this one right here, it closed today at $100.92. and then my cost per share is $104.20. So pretty much this is all I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm gonna be making another video tomorrow to see where everything closes at, all my positions, and then I want to review it to see which positions I'm gonna be adding on Friday when I make my deposit. To anyone that is new to my channel, I'm a DCA investor. Every Friday I invest I deposit around $100, and then those $100 I distribute them through anything that is undervalued in my portfolio. I do $25 into SCHD every week, of course, at least $25. But depending on the price, I probably put some more. And this week I get paid for my second job, so I'm gonna see if I can grab a couple extra dollars to definitely buy some more stocks this week. Just because it's still down. My portfolio is still down. My portfolio is still in the red. And I don't mind it. I'm very positive about it. It is in the red, but right now I just see it as opportunity for me to continue to pick up some more shares at a cheaper price and just hold them for the long term. All right, everyone. So this is it for today. I'll definitely be making a video tomorrow, checking all the stocks that I'm going to be buying on Friday. And I'll definitely see you on that next video. Have a great day. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.